horizon every day. What's going on, beautiful bees? I'm in the enchanted forest again. It's lightly snowing. I've been riding my bike, so I'm a little out of breath. And we're in winter wonderland right now. You guys see the background there? So pretty. And I wanted to do a video out here talking about how to start the day in a positive mind frame, in a positive attitude. How do you wake up feeling energized, ready to start the day? Are you guys having trouble with that right now? I've been there, and it can be challenging. But one of the secrets that a lot of people know is it really starts in the mind. And you can easily switch your mind to having a negative mind frame or a positive mind frame. And it's really about your thoughts, because your thoughts create your reality. And it's just like I'm taking this video right here in a frame with the camera frame. I can show you guys what you want to see, what you want to focus on. And that's like your mind. It's like a picture frame. You can either make it beautiful, or you can create negative thoughts, negative thinking. So, to get up in a positive mind frame, it really starts with what you tell yourself. That's creating your thoughts, as well as your experiences. So that's why I love getting out in nature, because this right away puts you in a positive mind frame, right? What you're focusing on, what you're tuning into, what you're listening to. You can hear birds out here, the bees, so maybe some bees are flying around somewhere. But it really starts with putting yourself in a positive, peaceful environment. And that will also give you some clarity to clear your mind and to clear negative thinking. Again, your thoughts create your reality. So whatever you are thinking, whatever you are focusing on, you are giving energy to that thought. So whatever you're focusing on, you're putting your energy towards. So if you're thinking about all the negative things, living in fear, focusing on too much news, negative news, that's what you're putting your energy towards. So that's what you're going to get back. It's a mirror, right? So in order to create a positive reality for yourself, to wake up in a positive mind frame, a lot of people start with meditation first thing in the morning to clear your mind, breathing exercises, right? To clear your mind. It's like a computer. You want a clean computer. If there's too much going on the computer or your mind, it can create a lot of confusion. There's too much going on. Too much in the mind creates confusion. And it is also important to do more of what you love, whatever that is. Whether it's going for a bike ride, painting, playing an instrument, knitting, being with animals, do more of that, okay? Because that's going to also put you in the right environment, and it'll put your attention on something that you're passionate about. Passion is so important. What is it that you love to do? Will create your reality. So keep focusing on what you love. Keep focusing on the love. Keep doing what you love. When we do that, we'll all be